The trial of Colonel Sambo Dasuki has been stalled. His absence in court is in protest of his continued detention despite court order to be released. At the resumed hearing at the Federal High Court in Abuja, the embattled military officer issued a letter in absentia praying the court to discontinue charges against him if he is not released on bail. In a letter titled Unabated Prosecution of Retired Colonel Mohammed Sambo by the Federal Government of Nigeria, he states an end to what he termed hypocrisy and lopsided partisan rule of law. Colonel Dasuki has been in detention since December 2015 on alleged embezzlement of $2.1 billion meant for the procurement of arms. Justice Ahmed Mohammed of the Federal High Court later adjourned the matter till 19th of November 2018. This development, according to legal expert Amobi Nzelu, is illegal and does not follow judicial process.
I feel worried. I'm speaking because this is my constituency. I'm a lawyer. I'm not a farmer. I've not had any appointment in this country since I became a lawyer. So if something is going wrong in my constituency, then I feel worried. I have no other place to go and get my daily bread. So they should not muzzle the judiciary for selfish ends. If you have scores to settle with Dasuki, do it elsewhere, not using the court process to do it.
He calls on the federal government to respect the rulings of the court and release Dasuki from detention.
I'm in sympathy with Dasuki. I'm equally sympathy with the judiciary that has made those orders. However, where injustice becomes the order of the day, disobedience becomes inevitable. Dasuki cannot say he will not appear in court because the same court that gave him bail. He should try as much as possible to press further his matter to see how far he could go for them to admit him on bail. If he says he's not going to appear in court, they may try him in absentia and sentence him. There's a provision of that in the law. As a senior member of the bar, I feel embarrassed at the way they exhibit this impunity in refusing a court order. The one that favors them, they will obey. The one that doesn't favor them, they will not obey. For 3 years, this man has been held captive despite 4 court orders admitting the man on bail. It becomes an issue, becomes a moral burden to the entire nation. What had this man done that could not be allowed to go on bail? And I feel bad about it. I feel sad about it. I have no other constituency than this one, which I've been into for 38 years. So I feel worried that these orders of court are not obeyed.
How this drama plays out will definitely make interesting headlines now and in the future.